Good afternoon, Creative Studio. How may I help you?
Hello, this is Alex Brown from Global X Podco. Can I talk to Miss Sid Taylor?
Let me check for you. I'm putting you on hold.
Okay, I hope.
Thank you for holding, Mr. Brown. Her is in a meeting. Can I take a message?
Yes, please can you ask Miss Sid Taylor to call me?
Can I take your number?
Yes, it is 09317 5613.
Can I check that? 09317555616.
That's right.
Thank you. May I tell her why you are calling?
Yes, I am calling about her order.
Thank you. I'll leave a message for her.
Thank you for your help. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Goodbye.